Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Means More. Imagine sipping tea on a veranda overlooking lush green gardens with the only sound being the soothing monsoon rains. The earthy aroma of wet soil tickles your nostrils as you relax in this serene setting. Sounds like a perfect vacation? Staying in homestays in India during the monsoon enhances the magical experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in nature and local culture. Settle in picturesque locations ranging from Kerala's backwaters to the tea estates of Darjeeling, these homestays offer an authentic slice of India. So in today's video, let us see some of India's picture-perfect homestays to relish the monsoon. Number 1. Greenera, Kerala. Nestled in a lush green tropical forest in Kerala, the homestay is surrounded by water bodies that come to life during the monsoons. Started by Mustafa P.A. as a part of his passion project, the area where the homestay stands was once barren mining land. Now located between the tropical forest that Mustafa planted and encircled by 7 water bodies, the homestay is the natural gateway of your dreams. The property offers 3 stay options, all made with natural materials like mud, straw and wood, with zero cement used. Number 2. Dudhsagar Plantation, Goa. While Goa is famous for its breathtakingly beautiful beaches, a different side of Goa comes alive during the monsoons. Named after the magnificent Dudhsagar Falls, this homestay is perfect for a slow-paced getaway. You can relax in one of the plantation's 5 rustic cottages or take a dip in the natural pool. Guests can also enjoy a feni tasting session, join the host in planting organic vegetables, or trek to Tamdi Surla or Dudhsagar waterfalls. Number 3. Palighar, Kalimpong. Located in the small town of Kalimpong in West Bengal, this sleepy hill station becomes a mist-covered heaven during the monsoons. If you enjoy incessant rains and cold weather, then Palighar is the place to be in winter. Host Ahana Gurung and Kabir Pradhan participate in the annual paddy plantation and invite interested guests to join them. You can also indulge in home-style Nepali food and other local cuisines while staying in traditionally made mud and bamboo cottages. Number 4. Avabodha, Panchgani. Run by a mother-daughter duo Prachi and Alka, this homestay sits on a hill overlooking the river Krishna. A beautiful escape from the city at any time of year, it becomes especially enchanting during the monsoons when the landscape transforms into a lush green paradise. The villa is a labor of love and will quickly feel like a second home. Guests can enjoy activities such as gardening, pottery, stargazing and bonfires. Additionally, you can savor delicious home-cooked vegetarian meals made with organic, homegrown vegetables. Number 5. Shri Badam Homestay, Sikkim. Located in the picturesque village of Shri Badam in West Sikkim, this homestay is situated at an altitude of 7,000 feet above sea level. It represents the host's effort to preserve Sikkim's culture, allowing guests to immerse themselves in its rich heritage. The village is a paradise for butterfly and bird watchers. You can visit the Varsi Rhododendron Sanctuary, walk to the cardamom plantations, or take a short uphill trek to a local waterfall. If you seek a pollution-free, slow-living experience, this is the perfect destination. Number 6. Vanilla County, Vangamon, Kerala. Another gem in God's own country, Kerala, Vangamon is a hill station that spans the Idukki and Kottayam districts, best visited during the monsoons. Vanilla Country, located in the Mawadi Hills, is a Dutch-style 8-bedroom bungalow built in 1947 by V.J. Matthew Walikkapen. Matthew runs the place with his wife, Silu. Guests can relax in the natural rock pools on the property, explore the plantation on foot, visit the nearby church, or enjoy a toddy tasting experience. Number 7. Shakuntala Farmhouse, Goa. If you seek a tranquil and serene side of Goa, Shakuntala Farmhouse is the perfect retreat. Nestled at the foothills of the Chorla Ghats in the Western Ghats, this farmhouse offers numerous advantages. Located within an hour's drive from prominent attractions like Dudhsagar Falls, Mollem National Park, Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, Arvelum Falls and Caves, Keri Foot Overbridge and Tamdi Surla. It's an ideal base for exploring the region. After a day of adventure, you can enjoy delicious local cuisine and take a refreshing dip in the farm stays pool. Plus, your furry friends are welcome to join you. And number 8, Shanti Kunj Homestay, Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur, renowned for its rich biodiversity and breathtaking coffee estates, could be your dream destination. The region receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon, transforming it into a lush green paradise. Nestled beside the serene Bhadra River, Shanti Kunj Homestay is the perfect spot to immerse yourself in the beauty of coffee plantations, waterfalls and river banks. This homestay features charming log houses, superior villas and premier rooms, offering a peaceful escape from the city's hustle. Guests can savor delectable meals, enjoy plantation tours and partake in nature walks, making it an idyllic retreat. So friends, enjoy your monsoon vacation by visiting these beautiful homestays in India. That's it for today. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more content like this. Keep watching. Thank you.